If Gamma on desktop is glitching, crashing, warping the layout, or just not loading the way it should, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest fixes for the Gamma app desktop error so you can get back to working normally as fast as possible. We'll go step by step through the most common causes, including browser settings, extensions, and cached data that can interfere with Gamma. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing to check is hardware acceleration. In some browsers, hardware acceleration can actually cause layout problems, rendering glitches, weird visual behavior, or even tab crashes when you use web apps like Gamma. So if Gamma is acting up on your desktop, this is one of the first settings you should change. To do that, open your browser settings and look for the Advanced or System section. Depending on the browser you use, this may be under Settings, then System, or Settings, then Advanced. Once you find it, look for hardware acceleration. If it is turned on, switch it off. After that, restart your browser completely so the change fully applies. Then reopen Gamma and check whether the problem is gone. In a lot of cases, this one setting alone can fix display issues and stop the app from freezing or rendering incorrectly. If Gamma is still not working properly, the next thing to test is your browser extensions. Extensions can be incredibly useful, but some of them can also interfere with web apps. This is especially true for aggressive ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, and security extensions that may stop Gamma from loading the dynamic code it needs to run. When that happens, parts of the page may not appear, buttons may not respond, or the app may fail to load at all. A very easy way to test this is by opening Gamma in an Incognito window or private window. In most browsers, Incognito mode disables many extensions by default, which makes it perfect for troubleshooting. Open an Incognito window, sign into Gamma again, and see whether the issue still happens. If Gamma works fine in Incognito mode, then one of your extensions is likely the cause. If that is the case, go back to your browser and start disabling extensions one by one. Focus first on ad blockers, privacy shields, anti-tracking tools, and anything that modifies page content or blocks script strips. After turning one off, reload Gamma and test again. Once you find the extension causing the issue, leave it disabled for Gamma or add Gamma to its allow list or whitelist if the extension supports that. This is often the difference between a broken dashboard and a fully working one. Now let's move on to the third fix, which is clearing stale tracking data. Over time, your browser stores cache files, cookies, and session data to help websites load faster, but sometimes that stored data becomes outdated or corrupted, and that can prevent Gamma from syncing correctly or loading the correct dashboard view. If you've ever seen a page that won't update, a login loop, or strange behavior that keeps coming back, cache and cookies are a very likely cause. To clear them, open your browser settings and go to the Privacy or History section. Look for options like Clear Browsing Data, Delete Browsing Data, or Clear Cache and Cookies. Make sure to select Cache and Cookies, and if possible, choose a time range that covers all time so you remove any stale session data. Once the data is cleared, close the browser fully and open it again. Then log back into Gamma and see if the desktop error has been fixed. A quick tip here. If you don't want to sign out of everything everywhere, you can sometimes clear data just for Gamma by clicking the site settings or lock icon in the address bar and removing site data for that specific website. That can be a cleaner way to fix the problem without resetting your entire browser. So to recap, if you're dealing with a Gamma app desktop error, the main fixes are to disable hardware acceleration, isolate or remove conflicting extensions, and clear out stale cache and cookies. These three steps solve a lot of the most common desktop issues because they target the browser settings that most often interrupt Gamma's loading and rendering process. If none of these fixes solve it, try updating your browser to the latest version or test Gamma in a completely different browser to see whether the issue is browser specific. That can help narrow down the cause even further. But in most cases, the steps I showed you today are enough to get Gamma working again. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.